install it or whatever, and then you just import it from here to your phone. Yeah, it's recording. Yeah, 2 levels. Just gotta squeeze in. I think we just got the 2 wheels left. I think we have the whole scaffold already, and the LED is here. Then we can build it. We gotta start opening these up. He wants us to take the crates up there. On this one, the C to C works. The A to C is not enough power. It says you need a 5-volt 2 amp. They finally switched it. Alright, that was kind of mid. That one was good. We gotta try that good one.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. You see they're building another good one next to that taco spot. That same one that we didn't get to try.
Oh, really? Okay.
That was the flavor meter this time, B. Edible. That doesn't matter, we can go either way. Whatever box I guess you got. Well, we can stay on one side, it doesn't matter.